everybody, welcome in physics class at Educare TZ. My name is Sir Ismail Juma Mbogo from Educare TZ. Let us join us in physics form 3. We are proceeding with our subtopic from thermal expansions about the bimetallic strips. So here we are dealing about bimetallic strip. So bimetallic strip, what does it mean? The bimetallic strip consists of different metal. Bimetallic strips, hichi ni kifaa ambacho chenyewe consist with the two different metals. Metals zaidi ya metal mbili tofauti. At different rates when heated through the same temperature change. Kwamba hizi metal mbili ambazo zenyewe huwa zina expand at different rates. Zina expand katika muda tofauti tofauti when heated through the same temperature. Wakati ambapo itaitiwa kupitia the same temperature, joto moja. Same temperature change. Consider this diagram. This is the structure of bimetallic strip. Consists of two metals. Here this bimetallic strip is being constructed with brass metal and iron one. So the brass metal and the iron. At a straight bimetallic strip, at normal temperature. When there is a normal or room temperature, bimetallic strip tend to look like this. Bimetallic strip when heated. When it heated, the bimetallic strip tend to bend. This bending is what we call increase in length. So it bends like this, whereby this is a rivet, this is a brass material, this is iron. So this brass material tend to make the iron bend when the temperature is heated, when the metallic strip is heated. And when the metallic strip is cooled, the iron tend to bend like this. Yeah, I mean kwamba iron ita tend to bend like this. Lakini tukichemsha, tukihiti, maana yake brass ina tend to bend like this. So the brass is the one that gain very heat. And the cool, when the metallic strip is cooled, the iron is the one that tended to cause the contractions to happen. And B, the metal that expand faster from the outside part of the cave, while the one that expand more slowly on the inside of the cave. So unaweza ukaona the metal that faster form the outside part, kwamba ile metal ambayo ina form outside part like here, huku nje, basi hiyo metal ndo tunasema the one that expand more slowly, kwamba ni moja ambayo yenyewe huwa ina expand more slowly in the inside cave, kwamba ni moja ambayo inakuwa more slowly on the inside cave. The brass expand and contract twice as fast as steel. Kwa brass material ndio material ambayo yenyewe ina expand faster, lakini pia yana contract twice as fast. So the temperature must be measured in Kelvin. So temperature hii hapa lazima ipimwe katika mfumo wa Kelvin. So today's we are going to pass through various applications of expansions of salt. All of us know that there is an expansion of salt material. So what are the applications? Where do we apply those concepts of expansion of material in this physics concept? So the first one, it is applied in the constructions of bridges and the house roof. Kwa hiyo concept ya thermal expansions of the material huwa tunaiapply katika utengenezaji wa madaraja, lakini vile vile utengenezaji wa magorofa. In order to prevent expansions, one end or both end of steel bridge rest on roller. Kwamba kwa lengo la kuweza kuzuia expansion kutokea, kwa sababu tunaamini kwamba tunapokuwa tunatengeneza magorofa yetu lazima kuna kuwepo na joto, yani kuna vyuma ambavyo vinapata heat and so on. So in order to prevent expansion, kwa lengo la kuweza kudhibiti expansion kuweza kutokea, one end of both end of the steel, sehemu moja au sehemu zote za ambazo zimetengenezwa na chuma kwenye daraja, rest on roller. Tunakuwa tunaziwekea roller katikati yake. So when the bridge expand, malengo yake ni nini? Tukiweka zile roller sehemu moja au sehemu zote, when the bridge expand, wakati ambapo daraja litatanuka, they free and move. Those roller itaifanya ile daraja liweze kuwa free to move, liweze kutembea. the free and move forwards and backward without breaking. Kwenda forwards and backward without breaking, bila kupasuka kwa daraja. If this is firmly fixed, ikiwa upande mmoja tumeufix, the bridge or roof, it is supposed will break. Kwamba ikitokea sasa ile gorofa au daraja limekuwa katika side zake zote mbili zimekuwa fixed, hazijawa na roller, basi wakati wa thermal expansion itafanya ile daraja liweze kupasuka au ile gorofa liweze kupasuka. So here you can see this is the fixed end and this is a roller that's introduced on a free hand. So on thermal expansions, whenever there is a thermal expansion, this roller make the bridge either moving forwards or moving backward. Thank you. Another applications is the railway lines constructions. Railway lines constructions. Sisi sote tunatambua kwamba wakati wanaotengeneza zile rail constructions of rail lines kunakuwa na tunaweka gaps between the railway lines. Kunakuwa kuna gaps kati ya reli moja, gap, reli nyingine, gap, reli nyingine, gap. What do we do this? We do this so as to prevent the contractions, prevent the expansions of railways. So once the railway expand, it make either accident when the rail pass or and so. So consider two legs as shown in diagram below. Here, this is the gap. This is a gap that exists between the rail. This is a rail, this is a rail. So there is a gap kati ya reli moja na reli nyingine. Kwa hiyo wakati tunatengeneza reli ya kwanza kuna gap, na reli pia kuna gap. So hizi gap zinafanya kazi gani? Hizi gap ndio zinasaidia contraction isiweze the expansion. Ikicontract basi kama hichi chuma kita contract basi sogee mpaka hapa without affecting, na kama kita relax basi rudi katika normal position without affecting. This is one among of the applications of the thermal expansion. Another thing in addition, kwa kuongezea hapo, ni kwamba the modern railway lines, sasa railway lines za kisasa sasa hivi, that previous was the colonial railways. So this now, in addition, the modern railway lines have long length of special steel, kwamba yenyewe inakuwa ina urefu mkubwa wa special steel maalum, ambapo which have sliding joint for expansion, zinakuwa zina slide wakati wa expansion. On those rail, trains run smooth with those noise and bumps. Kwenye hizo rail sasa ndipo ambapo trains zina travel smooth without noise and bumps. Ski noise, ski fujo, wala ski bumps hauwezi kusikia. So we can see here, this is a steel which is sliding smoothly. Kwamba hizi ndio normal. This is a modern one, the modern railways. Okay? This is the modern railways. Another applications is the constructions of road sand pavements. Kwenye barabara zetu tunakuaga tuna kitu ambacho tunakiita road pavement. The road pavement ni kama unakuta barabara kuja ikifika katikati wanaacha, inaanza barabara nyingine ikifika katikati wanaacha, pale katikati wanaweka vipavement. Kwa maana ukiwa unaenda unasikia then baadaye inaendelea, au ukiwa unaenda unakuta wameweka just alafu anaendelea. So ukiwa unaenda kwenye gari kuna sehemu ya barabara unakuwa unazisikia zile is what we call zinaitwa sand pavements. Wengine wanaweka tuta fulani, unaendeshwa baadaye na afu inaendelea. So ile pale inafanya kusaidia expansions, kwa sababu tunazungumzia solid material. The expansions of load does not make the load to breaks or faults on the loads. So you can see here in this diagram, this is the gap filled with the pitch. So kwa hiyo hapa kuna hizi gap pap. So barabara hii hapa this one, it allow the expansions of loads. Kwa hiyo hii inasaidia expansions ya load, this one, kwamba load iweze ku expand. Okay? Another applications is the use of bimetallic strip. The concept of thermal expansions, it involves the use of bimetallic strip. So the bimetallic strip is used in thermostats. Kwa bimetallic strip inatumika katika thermostats. How? Thermometer and valve. Kwa inatumika katika thermostats, thermometer pamoja na valves. Kwa tukianza na thermostat. Thermostat ni nini? Thermostat is a device, hicho ni kifaa used to maintain a steady temperature, ambacho kinatumika kwa ajili ya kumaintain kiwango cha temperature, steady temperature. Thermostat is used in many applications. Hii thermostat pia inatumika katika applications nyingi. The first one such as electrical irons, inatumika kwenye electrical irons, inatumika kwenye heater, inatumika kwenye refrigerator, inatumika kwenye air conditioner, inatumika kwenye fire alarm system, inatumika pia katika valve. Let us look on how the uses of bimetallic strip are used in fire alarm circuit. So in fire alarm circuit, wakati kuna hatari ya moto labda unasikia fire of alarms inaita. So this is happen when? It happens when temperature rise. Wakati ambapo joto linakuwa limeongezeka ambalo sio joto la kawaida, bimetallic strip bend to close the circuit. Kwa hiyo bimetallic strip ina bend close to the circuit. Pop, it bend close to the circuit, which is completely the circuit, and the bell start to ring. Kwamba circuit ambayo inakuwa ime contain bell ina start to ring, inaanza kulia. So watu wanajua kwamba this is alarm, fire alarm system. It alerts kwamba kuna moto sehemu fulani. You can look on this diagram. This is the blast bimetallic strip. So this bimetallic strip, which is consists of blast and iron, there is alarm circuit system. There is a contact here. This is an electrical bell. There is a source of power, and so this source of power becomes bimetallic strip. So whenever there is an increase in temperature from there, the increase of temperature, it tends to bend from here and become in contact. Once this become in contact, the electrical bell start to ring. Pom, pom, and so on. Other things is electric iron. Electric irons. All of us tunajua pasi za umeme. So zile pasi za umeme zimeconsist with the bimetallic strips. When the bimetallic strip bends due to the temperature change, it breaks the circuit. So you can see here, this is the control knob, pale pa kuongezea. This is in contact, which we need this one to become in contact of this. This one with the base. This is a socket source, where ambapo hiyo ndio sehemu ambapo ya socket. This is an insulator, and this is a control knob. This is the metallic strip. So hapo kwenye socket, tutakapokuwa tumeconnectia kule kwenye socket, tutakapoona maana yake there is increase in temperature. So increase in temperature tend to make this to bend on this. After bending this, it makes the base become more heat and expand. Another thing is bimetallic thermometer. There are something known as bimetallic thermometer. When the temperature rises, the bimetallic strip bend because the pointer to rotate across the pole. Inasababisha ile pointer iweze kurotate across the pole. Kwa hiyo tukienda tunataka tupime joto la mwili au joto la sehemu fulani by using bimetallic thermometer, ina happen kwa namna hii hapa. Kwamba this is the pulley that rotates, and this is the bimetallic strip concept, and this is the pointer. Wakati ambapo hii bimetallic strip ita gain au ita sense some amount of heat, it tend to cause the pulley to rotate. So this is the pulley once rotates, it causes the pointer to vary as the temperature. This is the thermal bimetallic concept. Another thing is bimetallic valve. Bimetallic valve is also used to open and close temperature sensitive valve. Kwamba wenyewe ni kifaa ambacho chenyewe kinatumika kuopen, kufungua and close the temperature. Kufunga na kufungua temperature au kupunguza na kuongeza kwa temperature. Sensitive valve. Yenyewe iko very sensitive, kwamba sense temperature, that's it. So the valve opens when the temperature rises. Kwa hiyo valve inakuwa inafunguka wakati ambapo temperature inapokuwa imeongezeka. lakini pia your valve inakuwa inajifunga whenever the temperature decrease. That's we call bimetallic valve. Another things which is very important is applied in hot water pipes. Kwenye hot water pipes ambazo zinakuwa zinapitisha maji ya moto, even other pipes ama pipe zingine, there is something concept behind of thermal expansions. Kwenye pipe, in order to prevent destruction which arise from expansion, kwa malengo ya kuweza kupunguza ile prevent destructions, uharibifu ambao which arise from expansion, ambao unakuwa kutokana na ile expansion ambayo inatokea, pipes are fitted with the expansion joint. Kwa hiyo ile pipe zinakuwa fitted the expansion joint. Kwa hiyo pipe ya kwanza na pipe ya pili hatusichomeki tu hivi, there is some materials that being applied pale ambayo inakuwa ni kama joint. So ile joint pale inakuwa ina prevent the dielectric contact of the pipe and it give us the gap when the pipe contract or when the pipe is expanding. So you can see the diagram like this. This is the pipe where at least is the expansions occur. Kwa hiyo hapa hii ndio tunaita joint, kwamba between pipe, kati ya pipe hii hapa na pipe hii hapa kuna joint hapa. Hii joint inafanya kazi gani? To allow expansions of pipe. And this allow the expansion of pipe. So the expansion of joint ikitokea, basi this one ina prevent the pipe from breaking down. Okay? Another things is applied in designing of pendulum object clock. Sometimes there is something known as designing of pendulum clock. Kuna pendulum clock. The pendulum clock and pendulums and balance wheel in a clock are compensated for expansion so that the clock keep correct time even when the temperature changes. So kwa hiyo ile pendulum clock inawepo hapo, yenyewe inatusaidia sisi to balance wheel in clock. Balance wheel in clock, ule mzunguko ule, ile tile ambayo inazunguka kwenye saa, uweza kulibalance kwa namna gani? Kwa namna ambapo kwamba tutakapokuwa temperature imeongezeka iweze kuzuia changes in time. So make the clock or that keep the clock correct time even when temperature change. Kwamba yenyewe inafanya kazi tu ya kuhakikisha clock inasoma sahihi wakati ambapo hata kama temperature itafanyaje, itaongezeka. Another things is the overheated telephones and electrical cables are loosely held. Pia tunafahamu kwamba uko majumbani kwetu au wapi kuna kuaga na zile electrical, tunasema is what we call, tunakuwa na hizo electrical cables kwamba kuna nyaya ambazo tumezifunga. Nyaya zinakuwa zimefungwa hivi barabarani, manjiani, unaona kuna nyaya za umeme, lakini pia kuna nyaya za simu. So zile nyaya za simu zinakuwa zina undergo thermal expansions. Kivipi? Anasema in order to allow for contraction and expansion during the cold and hot day respective. During the cold weather or at night, the metal can contract without breaking. Sio? Zinakuwa zinafungwa zile. Zikifungwa zile, zinaachwa nafasi kwa ajili ya expansions pamoja na contraction. Ambapo tunasema during the cold weather or at night, wakati wa baridi au wakati wa usiku, zinakuwa zina expand. Yani zinakuwa zina contract, zinasinyaa and become very strong. Lakini during the weather hot or during the day, they tend to expand. So
purchase your tracks today.